हाय देयर, कैसे हैं आप? चलिए आज बात करते हैं ऐसी हैबिट्स, सीक्रेट्स की जो सक्सेसफुल लोग और लीडर्स अपनी जिंदगी में अपनाते हैं, जिससे वो एक सक्सेसफुल रूटीन को फॉलो कर सकते हैं और अपने गोल्स को अकम्प्लिश कर पाते हैं। बिकॉज हम सब ड्रीम तो करते हैं और हमारे सब ड्रीम्स 15 दिन में, 1 महीने में, 5 महीने में फेल हो जाते हैं। We want to dream big and we want to see ourselves 5 years from now, 10 years from now at a particular place or a position. But we are not able to follow a strict life which is full of strategies and discipline. It is rightly said, the heights by great men reached and kept was not attained in a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. सही तो कहा है। कोई भी जिंदगी में चीज आपको आसानी से नहीं मिल जाती, फ्री में नहीं मिलती। उसके लिए जी लगा के मेहनत करनी पड़ती है और स्ट्रैटेजीज को फॉलो करना पड़ता है। तो चलिए आज देखते हैं ऐसी कौन सी स्मार्ट स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं जिसको लीडर्स और सक्सेसफुल लोग फॉलो करते हैं और जिंदगी में तरक्की के रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं। So let's talk about the extraordinary CEO Elon Musk of Tesla and the former CEO of Twitter, which is called as X. How he reveals his secrets and how he remains productive by maintaining a 120-hour work week schedule, which is strictly based on discipline and strategies. चलिए देखते हैं कि किस तरह से ये strategies अपनाते हैं और कौन सी ऐसी strategies हैं। First and foremost thing, what Musk says is that he makes sure that he has 6 hours of sleep in the night so that he is able to get up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Sleep is very important if you are a leader or if you're a successful person, because if you're not active, you'll be grumpy and you will not be able to successfully take your day towards productivity. He feels that if he's not able to have a good sleep, he's not able to work efficiently the next day. So follow this principle of him in life if you want to be successful. Sleep is must. Have a good night's sleep so that you're able to work harder the next day. Secondly, he says he's not a very exercise person. He's not fond of exercise. Exercise is not his cup of tea. But he sees to it that he walks on treadmill and TV is his distraction. And he also says that at a particular age, it is very difficult to maintain your body weight. So he does some form of exercise or the other so that he's able to manage his weight. So you can also follow this principle in life. आप ये principle अपनी जिंदगी में follow कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको exercise अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो आप किसी तरह का exercise routine अपनी जिंदगी में follow कर सकते हैं। वो योगा हो सकता है, पार्क में चलना हो सकता है, breathing exercise हो सकती है to maintain your body weight and to remain active and agile the whole day. He also says that he doesn't eat too much of food in the night before sleeping, right before sleeping, and he avoids alcohol most of the times because that lowers his productivity. So if you want to be successful, you have to maintain this routine. ज़्यादा खाना मत खाइए सोने से पहले और अल्कोहल का अवॉइड कीजिए ताकि आपका अगला दिन ताजगी से भरा हुआ हो और आप अपने गोल्स को अकम्प्लिश कर पाएं। बिकॉज ज़्यादा खाने से, अल्कोहल पीने से आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी लो हो जाएगी और आप अपनी चेकलिस्ट में वो सब चीज़ों को अकम्प्लिश नहीं कर पाएंगे जिसके लिए आपने एक रात पहले टाइम दिया था और लिस्ट बनाई थी वो काम करने के लिए। Another point what he says is, since I plan one day before as to what I have to wear and how my day should progress, this also helps me work smarter rather than work harder. When you plan your day and put everything in writing on a piece of paper, you're working smartly towards your goal. You're not working harder, but you're working smartly towards your goal. So if you want to be successful, be smart with your work rather than working very hard every single day. Elon Musk says that in order to stay productive, he divides his day and he breaks his day into 5-minute slots. And this helps him concentrate better and it also increases his efficiency towards working harder. इसको आप पोमोडोरो टेक्निक भी कह सकते हैं। पोमोडोरो टेक्निक एक बहुत ही एफिशिएंट वे है काम करने के लिए कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाने के लिए, ताकि आप अपने गोल्स को अकम्प्लिश कर पाएं। यूजुअली लोग 25 मिनट एक टास्क को देते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स भी पोमोडोरो टेक्निक अपना सकते हैं, जिससे वो 25 मिनट तक पढ़ते हैं, फिर 5 मिनट का ब्रेक दे देते हैं। या 25 मिनट कोई भी टास्क आप कर रहे हैं तो पूरी तरह से होल हार्टेडली उस टास्क के ऊपर अपना ध्यान फोकस कीजिए और फिर उसके बाद 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लीजिए। अब ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितने पोमोडोरोस कर सकते हैं दिन में। कई लोग 4 पोमोडोरो करके 15 से 20 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लेते हैं। दिस इज अ वेरी इफेक्टिव वे ऑफ अकम्प्लिशिंग मोर इन लेस टाइम, एंड ऑल्सो it can increase your concentration levels like anything. You can also adopt this if you want to be successful in life. He also says that you should always adopt this habit of reading in the night. कोई भी किताब ले लीजिए जो कि आपको इंस्पायर और मोटिवेट करती हो, बिकॉज रात को सोने से पहले इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉचिंग टीवी और वॉचिंग योर रील्स ऑन द मोबाइल, इट इज बेटर टू रीड समथिंग. Reading also induces sleep and helps you stay focused the next day. And it also helps you stay motivated. तो आप कुछ भी पढ़ सकते हैं. Normally, he reads some inspirational books or biographies which are his bedtime favorites. Elon Musk says that he spends Mondays and Fridays at SpaceX in LA and the rest of the week at Tesla or Twitter in San Francisco. Now, this streamlined approach minimizes his travel and increases his efficiency at work. Why I'm narrating this incident to you is that you can use this to take out maximum results. Because if you're traveling from one company to another, and if you're a doctor who visits different hospitals, you will have a lot of travel time. आप इस travel time को utilize कर सकते हैं और productive रह सकते हैं, कुछ inspirational पढ़ सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं, या एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं गाड़ी में, या इस तरह से प्लान कर सकते हैं ताकि आपका टाइम वेस्ट ना हो. Last but not the least, while Musk is able to successfully follow his workaholic routine and he's a champion at it, it doesn't mean that you are also a workaholic and you would also be able to work like him. These examples I'm giving you so that you are able to understand the lifestyle of successful people. So take whatever resonates with you and follow whatever you are able to follow. Because of being a champion at maintaining strict disciplined life, there's also a flip side to it. Because in 2018, Musk suffered a burnout as he was maintaining a 120 strict work hour schedule. Are you able to do that? Instead of following whatever everybody is following, see to it what works for you like magic. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. एक healthy lifestyle maintain कीजिए, एक disciplined life follow कीजिए, and at the same time take whatever is required from these leaders which can work for you, because what could work for others might not work for you. Now, these are the strategies which I wanted to share of one successful person. In the next video, I would be sharing other strategies जो कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में follow कर सकते हैं, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में. And these habits are those habits which each one of us can follow to make our life better, prosperous, and more successful. So for more such videos, stay tuned. Lots of love from Sapna Handa.